Yeah, Keto ones. All right, so the holiday season is over, but I have just one thought. The only thing that was missing during those festive dinners was like a potato salad substitute. But worry not, I have the perfect substitution and I'm calling it the picnic salad. Yeah, I like that idea. Now, the most interesting thing about this picnic salad is that it really has like the potato salad taste. Now, if you don't believe me, let me show you and you can see for yourself. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, now I have a head of cauliflower here that I want to go ahead and get cut up into small pieces because what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and steam this. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and steam our cauliflower for about 5 minutes or more. It depends on how soft you'd like them. Alternatively, you can blanch the cauliflower instead. Now, in a large bowl, we're going to add 3/4 to 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 to 2 tablespoons of a granular sweetener, any sweetener you like, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dried dill, or you can do 2 tablespoons of fresh dill chopped, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This just gives it kind of a little bit of heat in the back. It adds kind of this nice smokiest flavor. We're just gonna go ahead and whisk that all until it's well combined. Alrighty, and to our dressing, we're going to add the steamed cauliflower. And here I have 6 slices of bacon that I'm gonna go ahead and get chopped up and put in. And then to this, I'm gonna add 1/2 to 1 cup of cheddar cheese, grated, about a 1/2 cup of red onion, diced, and 1/4 cup of walnuts. And you could also use pecans, or you could omit the nuts altogether. And also, if you want to add some additional crunch and color, you can also add some celery to this as well. And then we're just gonna mix this until the dressing has coated everything. Then you just refrigerate this for at least an hour to allow those flavors to melt and cool completely. And you're done. Then you just get to enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you are excited that you now have a potato salad substitute. And let me know if you've tried the recipe and how you like it. I mean, because this is just gonna take the keto world by storm. Perfect for all those holidays and get-togethers. Oh, you guys are going to love it. Trust me, because I am obsessed. But that's neither here nor there. Anyways, you can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.